Oh my goodness. Look at this place. It's so fancy. Wow. And the way these people are dressed, I kind of feel like I just stepped back into the 1800s. Wow. I'm starting to wonder if this might be a costume party or something. Well, not really a costume party, other than the fact that everyone, well, mostly everyone, except for that lady there and that guy and that other guy and that other lady right there, are dressed in, like, ball gowns. I mean, do you think my dress is fancy enough? Thanks. Oh, no, I'm fine, really. I'm fine. They have a lot of scented candles around here, don't they? Oh, excuse me. I know 10 people just looked at me when I sneezed. They couldn't help it. You know how my allergies get. And this room is loaded with scented candles. How many scented candles do they even need? Oh, excuse me. Excuse me again. Oh my goodness. Oh no, we're coming. I'm trying. I can't hold them. Excuse me. I couldn't hold it back. That's what I was going to tell you. I couldn't. It was just too much. I think I'm okay now. I hope. I can't help it. People are looking. I can't help it if I have to sneeze, which I think. Excuse me. Look, I can't help it. It's these scented candles. Now you know why I hate going to places like Bed Bath and Beyond and so on. I know this one place my mom and I used to go into when I was little. Oh my goodness, that place had so many smells. Oh my goodness, I sneezed up a storm even then. Oh my goodness. Yes, I did. Yeah, excuse me. Oh man. Yeah, it was kind of like now. Oof. Look, I'm telling you, I can't help it. Sure, you could have a nose full of dust and not sneeze, but me, my nose is a little bit more sensitive than that. Excuse me. What? I'm saying excuse me. It's not like I'm burping. Okay, yeah, sure, burping doesn't, project germs, but still. Look, I can't help that these people look like they just stepped out of the 1980s. Yeah, I hope I don't start sneezing during dinner also. Excuse me. Look, it's hard. I mean, you can smell all these scented candles. They're everywhere. Oh my goodness, I hope they're not in the dining room. Oh no, they are in the dining room. Okay, I might have to reconsider this, because I don't know. Excuse me. Yeah. Yeah, we might have to reconsider our plans tonight. Is that... Oh, good. I mean, I hate to leave, but I know I'm just gonna be a sneezy mess. I know people are looking at me, but I can't help it. Plus, I'm saying, excuse me. And besides, it's... Excuse me. It's not like any of them have never sneezed before. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I've got to get out of here. I'm an absolute sneezing mess.